Hello guys, on this video what I want to talk about is training your young birds. I'm not an expert. I don't know that much, but I want to share what I know and what I heard. When you training your young birds, a lot of people, when they training the young birds, they take them the first time, they take it 10 miles, 15 miles. That's wrong. And the reason why I say that is I talk to a lot of people, and when they start training the young birds, you always start with 1 mile, then you start going up every, like you start 1, then you go 3, then you go 5, then you go 7, then you go 10. Now after you get to 10 miles, you can start going up. Like when you get to 10, you go 15, then 15, 20, then 20, 25, 25, 30. After you get to the 30 miles, you can start going up like 10 miles each time. And that's the way I've been doing it, and it works for me. See, right now we're gonna be training all my young birds. I probably got around 40 birds in here, and I'm already, this is 60 miles for me, so they got a long way to go today. This is the first time they're gonna be out on the 60 miles. Last train was 50 miles. So this is, like I say, 60 miles for them. And for me, it's probably around 70 miles. The way I do it is kind of different. Why I say for the birds is 60 miles and for me is 70 miles is because when I take my birds out, I do like air miles. You know how you can do like a straight line for the birds, and that's 60 miles for them, and for me driving on the car is 70 miles. So that's all I want to talk about today, guys. And I'm gonna release them right now and see how it goes. All right, have a good day, guys, and don't forget to log into the website, which is www.qvanloft.com. all right, let's get this bird out of the box. All right, come on, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly.